Very far right.
Very far right. Yep. Yep. Whoa! I did not see that.
Yep.
Yep. Just let it turn around. Let it turn around. There was nothing moving right there.
Where is it?
It's right there. No, I did not see that.
I can't see it.
Oh, wow. Good weight shift, guys. That was ridiculous.
That's why I like to wear my
swimsuit.
Oh no, my
Corey, you need to thank you.
Yeah.
Start veering left.
Like there's likely stuff right here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, no.
Well, as long as we hit it, there was a snake right there. I just saw a snake.
There's a snake around here that likes to sit on stuff right next to the water.
Water snake or what?
If you go to Fernwood, they sit on the.
Remember that
bushes down
spot?
by
I
the
wonder if
river.
we can see that in the video. I'm taking full HD, so. No, shoot, this isn't gonna work.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, nice! Got that one on video.
Look at all this water going out through the wall too.
Wow, yeah.
The river is soon going to be taking a different.
That'd be a nice picture, climbing all out on there. It's nice.
Ow! Oh,
What'd you do?
my hip. It was just the right height to go over the side of the canoe.
Excuse me. Let's say Ben could just take the back.
Just get in.
I don't think I can from here. You'll have to move it further this way. No. The front further this way.
You want to move sideways?
Actually, that might drop down.
We can make it through right there. No, we can make it through right there.
Well,
That's a baby thing. We're good. Let's set it right to that.
no, it's pretty solid, dude.
Yeah, that's solid. This over here. Whoops.
Oh, no.
Grab that and wait.
Stop.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.